Hello everyone, this is Sarkwix back with another video, and in this video I am going to talk about my experience with iOS 15 Beta 4 and on how the software has been working for me. And I am also going to talk about expected release date for the Beta 5 because as you know Apple will soon be shifting to a weekly release cycle. So now I have been using iOS 15 Beta 4 full time on my iPhone 11, and the good things about it are performance for most people and not everyone. Also, quite a few people have said that when you are within photos, you can see select at the top. For some people, this is wrapping text and sort of the icon is larger than it should be. So when you tap on select or cancel it, it just doesn't show up properly. Again, it's not happening for me on iPhone 11, but it's an issue for some people. Now, another thing is Spotlight search is not working for everyone. It seems to work for me. If I search something, it seems to be okay, everything's working. But Spotlight search isn't working for everyone, and that can be a problem if you use this regularly. Also, third-party app crashing still being reported. I mean, Twitter crashes every single day for me. So if you encounter any app crashes, this is something that's totally normal within beta, and yeah, it's happening. Now, something that many users have reported as well as issues with Wi-Fi connectivities. So some users have reported that the Wi-Fi connection just drops on their iPhone. It's a big issue, but I haven't faced this problem yet. And also storage isn't loading for some people as well. So if you go into settings, then go to general and then go to iPhone storage. For some people this will just never load. It's worked for me. It does take a little while, but it generally shows up. So should you install iOS 15 Beta 4? If you are not already using iOS 15 betas, then I won't recommend to install it. But if you are on earlier betas, I would say that you should install it as it's a job to test these out and report feedback, figure out the bugs, and of course try out the new features. But if you are on public version, I would probably wait until beta 5 comes out, just based on some of the bad battery life it had, especially if the matters most to you, and just general stability with certain apps. You want to make sure your apps work there and it isn't a specific list that says what works and what doesn't yet. So I would hold off if you really want to try it out. So try on an extra device, but of course that's up to you. So when will the iOS 15 Beta 5 will release? Now, as far as when to expect Beta 5, I think we are going to be getting into weekly releases. Now, generally, every year when we switch from Beta 4 to Beta 5, once we get to August, we will have weekly releases up to about Beta 7, and then we will have a final version. So, we could see it as soon as maybe coming Tuesday on the 10th of August. iOS 15 Beta 5 will be released. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more such iOS updates and follow up. Now, I will see you on the next one. Peace.